Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the benefits of CreditSaint credit education. CreditSaint is a reputable credit repair company that not only helps individuals improve their credit scores but also provides valuable education on credit management. The first benefit of CreditSaint credit education is that it empowers individuals with knowledge about credit scores and reports. Understanding how credit scores are calculated and what factors affect them is crucial for making informed decisions about credit. CreditSaint provides personalized credit analysis and guidance on how to improve credit scores. Another benefit is that CreditSaint credit education helps individuals develop healthy credit habits. By learning how to manage credit effectively, individuals can avoid common pitfalls such as late payments, high credit utilization, and credit inquiries. CreditSaint provides tips and strategies on how to maintain a good credit mix, make on-time payments, and keep credit utilization low. CreditSaint credit education also provides individuals with the skills to monitor and manage their credit reports. This includes learning how to dispute errors on credit reports, how to add positive information to credit reports, and how to avoid identity theft. By understanding how to manage credit reports, individuals can ensure that their credit information is accurate and up to date. In addition to these benefits, CreditSaint credit education also provides individuals with access to a range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars. These resources cover a range of topics related to credit management, including credit scoring, credit reporting, and credit repair. By taking advantage of these resources, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of credit management and make informed decisions about their credit. To get the most out of CreditSaint credit education, it is essential to be proactive and engaged. This includes regularly reviewing credit reports, monitoring credit scores, and seeking guidance from CreditSaint experts. By following these best practices, individuals can achieve significant improvements in their credit scores and enjoy better financial health. In conclusion, CreditSaint credit education provides individuals with the knowledge, skills, and resources needed to manage their credit effectively. By understanding how credit scores are calculated, developing healthy credit habits, monitoring and managing credit reports, and accessing educational resources, individuals can achieve significant improvements in their credit scores and enjoy better financial health.